Hey YouTube, I'm going to show you my new project I'm starting. We just brought a piece of property with a nice little shop, and it needs a lot of work. It needs electrical and all kinds of stuff done. Let me show you what we've got going and show you what my plans are as of now. Just walk in the only man door in here so far, so don't mind the mess. We're in the process of moving, but so this is the first little bay. It's about 12 foot tall, maybe 13, 14 to the ceiling, to the peak. The room itself is 14 wide by 24 long. And it says horrible lighting. It has these old school fluorescents, 2 of those. This one doesn't even work. The light switch is behind the door. It's old outlets that are just wore out. I'm going to gut this electrical in this place, redo all of the interior lighting. So that's the first room. Going to the next, this is going to be the bigger workshop area. I need to insulate, again 14 foot tall, about 20 foot wide to the room here. And it's about from here to that first wall, about 24 feet, about 24 foot square room here. Subtract this little extra room, which is a later project. I have big plans for it. About 10 by 8 by 10, 8 by 12 maybe. So all new electrical through this whole thing. Get rid of all this. There's only one outlet in this entire room, and it's right there. That's it. This whole room needs electrical. And it has these older T8 lights. I want to get some good LEDs. This wall here is going to come down. And if you step around into this bay, this is going to be, I'm going to continue this concrete slab all the way across. And then more interior lighting and outlets. Anyone have any good recommendations for interior shop lighting? That's something I'm trying to work out right now, is what I'm going to do for lighting and then exterior lighting as well. I want to get a light right here between these 2 big bay doors. I do have this one little solar light above this first entry door, and it works all right, but I want something bigger, brighter. So I have at least 2 lights on the front of this building, motion activated most likely. And then I'm also going to do a 30 amp RV plug for my motorhome and a couple more lights on this side on a switch. And maybe a couple motion lights around the back as well. So follow along this series and let me know in the comments below what you guys recommend for good interior lights for shops. I'm going to be starting this process soon.